Namaste. Now, many people have the problem of listening. Now, one lady came to me and said, "My son doesn't listen to me, sir. I don't know why." Now, another person, wife, they came and told me, "Sir, they are not listening. Initially, they were very receptive. After a few years, they are not listening at all." What is the reason, sir? I have no idea about it. Remember, this is the first rule of listening. People always listen to wrong things. Suppose you say there is a murder happened, somebody has failed, somebody has done worst, everybody will say, "Oh, what happened really?" But initially they'll say, "No, I don't want to listen to you." If you persist, they will listen. So people love to listen to negative things in life. Second thing, people love to listen to outside people, not to people inside them. For example, one of my friend was there. His father told him study computers, and he was not at all interested in studying computers. Then an uncle came and told, "Please listen, the computer is a very good thing, you study." He said, "Yeah." His father said, "I also told the same thing." So please understand, people listen to outside people. Whatever you say in the house, nobody will listen to you. Whatever outside people come and say inside your house, everybody will listen to it. So this is the first rule of listening. There was a lady who wanted to see a new house. Her husband went across and searched for the new house. What happened? She started shouting "Halla bulla." So he called me and he asked me, "What to do, sir?" I told, very simple, get an elderly man who is outside your house, ask her to talk to them. The moment they spoke to her, she got very convinced. ஒரு நிமிஷம் துண்டு கொடுப்பா, அது மட்டும் எடிட் பண்ணிடலாம். இல்லை எடுக்காதீங்க, அதை அப்படியே எடிட் பண்ணிடலாம். ஒரு நிமிஷம். வேத்து பரவாயில்ல. So therefore, it is a very thumb rule. Women will listen to elderly man will listen to younger women. So this is the first rule of listening. Man will listen to women will listen to man. That is the first rule. Outside people will listen to inside people. Inside the house people will listen to outside people. The third important rule is younger people, that is men will listen to younger people, women will listen to elder people. So if you look at your mother or your sister, they will be listening to father, elderly people in their house. And therefore it is very difficult if younger people say anything in their life. They will not listen. They won't be interested in listening. The second thing is, men will listen generally to younger women. Younger women, they are very receptive. If elderly people talk to men, they don't want to listen. They simply get angry, they simply get upset. Even if you have told the truth, nothing but the truth, you will get very, very angry. Now, for example, if you see the Messiah, Jesus Christ was a young man. He was trying to preach the elder rabbis who got very angry in Jerusalem, and they wanted to prosecute him as a person. Actually, this is the case. So the point is, there was no listening with Jesus Christ. They got very angry because he was a young guy who was talking about all that thing. So therefore, it is very, very important that you understand whom does the people listen to. The second problem is, if you take Bill Gates, if you take Steve Jobs, they are all younger people. So the whole of America was listening to younger people. They were not listening to elder people. In India, people listen to only elder people. You see Modi, you see Vajpayee, you see Sonia Gandhi. Most of them are 60 years old. So therefore, you have to understand whom people listen is very, very important. The second thing is, most people, if you speak in the right ear, will not listen. If you speak towards their left ear, they will listen. And women are very, very open when you speak to them in the right ear. Men are very, very open if you speak to them in the left ear. The other point is, women are very, very receptive in the morning. Men are very, very receptive in the evening. And also men are very receptive in the west and south direction. Women are very receptive when they face the east and the north direction. So if you understand the direction, the time, the years, elder, younger, you will know whether somebody is going to listen. The other important point in listening is, if you try to advise anybody more than 1 minute, people will get angry. Just take a time, put a watch and try to see more than 1 minute, people will get offended. And the next important thing is, you should tell people that they know everything. You are just trying to give a suggestion which is very pedestrian, which is very ordinary, that which they be knowing across. So once you know this way of talking to people, you can actually convince them a lot. Now, if you see from Jupiter, lot of planets are with Rahu Ketu in the third house, people will not listen. For example, my brother has third house with Rahu Ketu. He does not listen to me. He listens only to elderly women. Any elderly women who says anything to him, he will be very, very open. Any younger people say anything or his own brother say anything, he will not be interested in listening. So the point is, find out whether, forget all that thing. Only one thing you should understand is whether people will listen to elderly people or people will listen to younger people. Once you understand that combination, it is very easy. Male or female. Whether they are going to listen to the male, whether they are going to listen to the female. Now, if you don't understand, ask them, whom do you like the most? Whom do you consult the most? For example, the guy who is doing the video shooting for me, Rajesh, he listens only to elder man. His guru is very good with hacking, ethical hacking, and so he listens to him as a person, which means he will always listen only to elderly people, people who are outside the house. Suppose his mother, father says anything, he'll say, no, I don't want to listen to it. Now you take Anjaneya, who is also the editor of this particular video and who runs the organization. He will also listen to elderly people. He doesn't listen to younger people about it. So all you need to understand, who will listen to whom. That's why in the boss equation, people get very angry. Elderly men find it very, very difficult to take orders from younger women. They get really angry, they get really pissed off, and they probably are very upset about it that young people are dominating them across. Once you understand these principles, it is very easy to deal with the corporate world and situation. The other point is, there is a major question people ask, how do we go about it? Take from Guru the third lord and light the lamp. You will be definitely know that people will listen to whom. And generally, light lamp for Rahu Ketu, it will have a very good idea. And also seating postures are very important. If your seat is higher and the other person's seat is lower, they listen. If the person is what you call sitting, the other person is standing, then also they tend to listen. So these kind of subtle nuances you should understand to make people listen. And most important thing, you should appreciate people for listening, and you should be kind to people if they do a mistake about it. The problem is, one of my friends was teaching Max, and actually his sister and me were learning from him as a person. And he tried to explain the concept, we didn't understand. He got very angry with us. Remember, repetition is the key in making people listen. Say the same thing again and again and again and again. Then only people understand. People don't understand in the first time. People don't understand the second time. People probably take time to understand. Patience is nothing but repeating the same thing again and again to somebody. That's the idea of patience. So the whole point is, you can be fighting with lover. She might be getting angry and saying, you're not coming in time, you're not this, you're not that. You can say, I'm not perfect, that's why I'm in love with you. And you're not perfect, that's why you're in love with me. So the point, the most people have a problem in their communication, and they do not know how to make another person listen. So I hope this video will be very, very helpful to you. There'll be a lot of people who have written a lot of books, but the idea who will listen to whom is a subject which many people don't understand across. I wish you all the best. Hope to see you more videos. Do write on the comments what you really like me speaking. I would definitely be helpful to you on that. Thank you so much, Pawan.